You're listening to 5 Minutes of English with Laura Pickens, a short podcast about the way we actually talk, like for real. I can sing. I can't dance. Hi, my name is Laura Pickens. I'm an American living in Russia, but I was born in California. And I moved to South Carolina when I was older. And because of that, I have a mix of accents. I have a California accent, but I also have some Southernisms in me. You will hear me say y'all, and I don't know how to say it otherwise. And I have a tip for you about American accent today. I'm sure this happens in other dialects of English, but I can tell you for sure that it happens in American English. And that is the intonation of the word can and can't. If you are trying to sound more authentically like a native speaker, you are going to need to master intonation or the music of a language, the ups and downs, the emphasis, and the parts that we go fast. This is where we truly sound like native speakers. And this is a very small but very particular rule about our accent, which is how we put intonation in can't. Now, the reason we do this is because without this intonation, I don't think you'd understand what we were saying. In my particular accent, I do not pronounce the T's almost at all. For example, the word button, internet. Where did the T go? I don't know. We don't need it. So when I'm trying to make a difference between the word can and can't, if you get rid of the T, you have no idea what I'm saying. And this isn't just me, this is American English. So here's how we do this: we put the intonation, the stress, we make it louder and longer on the new information. If we are saying something that we can do, then we are going to put the stress on the verb. I can sing. I can run. Da da da. I can laugh. I can cry. New information is not that we have the ability, it's what we have the ability in. Can you imagine sitting around a room and sharing information about yourselves? Oh, I can make $1 million in 2 minutes. What's interesting is the verb. Now let's look at it the other way. If you're saying something you can't do, the interesting and new information is that you do not have the ability. It's not like you're going to be in a conversation and someone says, I can sing. Yeah, I can't fish. That's not connected to the conversation in any way. You're probably already talking about fishing. The new information is that you do not have that ability. I can't fish. I can't swim. Da da da. This speech pattern makes it very clear that the emphasis is on the can't. And even if we do not pronounce the t sound, you can still hear it with the intonation. So when we have a t sound, it still is clear. I can sing. I can't dance. Even if I do not say the T, I can sing. I can dance. It's still very clear that I do not have the ability to dance. Time for some exercises. I want you to listen carefully to what I'm about to say, and you are going to say either yes, I can do that, or no, I can't do that. And you're going to be listening for the intonation where I put the stress. Are you ready? I can do that. Yes. She can tell him. Yes. We can try again. Yes. They can't take it. No. You can't deal with it. No. If you want to give it a try yourself, come join me on my private Telegram chat. You can find the link in the description. There, you'll be able to discuss more about this episode, and I encourage you to leave voice messages where you get to practice with these phrases. I can't wait to see you again.